autopsy report is already ready.
Oh,
autopsy report is ready. As I say, I was opinion is Canadian. Canadian.
That's beautiful.
And so no, almost ready.
Into more busa questions now. After almost I come about Tom.
Say, I believe say yeah, queer no.
Oh yes.
Because like I said at that time, if autopsy you are not okay with autopsy,
you can always
request as long as the person has not been. Oh, but yeah, but really, baby, you come to me autopsy. It's any problem.
Oh, that's nice.
The autopsy.
That's nice.
When I spoke with the person, told me was a papa she making allegations be say there is some substance found in then I almost say according to in the panel meeting say in the report there is nothing like that. There's nothing like that. That's what he told me. And I know Moka say Dr. Kuto so confirm say the day before now no Lumba crying in hospital wa kokotu your bills on na ne on in the cover the next day no cash will be discharged that day no free. It's in that yes that is the version of the doctor. It's that this is quick updates.
Yes,
Eba. But I believe say going forward and by Friday day.
That's nice.
Yes, it's where I just quick updates
Russia one so California do and the photo no be so I cut down to the family and me say young progress way. So by the close of the week we are hoping say and new man baby
yes
na fe obi a so etime
and I say abotoim ne hia
any here say the pan be you no nya bad ya eye ne ade de say na no say the ne ken oh band for me ba bo what I say it's there
make sure say the corporate world no cry ready
they
always want to help us and never know one channel no
yes
I believe say before the end of this month here there you bring your resource
we are hoping and praying say I am for media
so far so good
yeah
so far so good
that's nice.